So here given what is given, first write the given. Here 10th term of 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on is. So whatever it is given, so first write it. Okay, so 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on and so on. In this is a arithmetic progression. This is a arithmetic progression. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, like that. Okay, by adding a constant term, if you get the next number, so that is the arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is an AP. This is an AP. So here, what is the first term in this A, and what is the difference between the two terms? Okay, difference is the second term minus first term, T2 minus T1 or A2 minus A1, that is equals to 6 minus 4, that is equals to 2. Okay, so now this is the difference. Now what we want, he is asking the 10th term. He is asking the 10th term. What is the formula for finding an or Tn? Okay, so nth term an is equals to, or Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is the formula for finding the nth term, any term in the series. Okay, so now I am using this formula here for finding the 10th term. Okay, so T10 is equals to a value 4 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d. Okay, so d is equals to 2. 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, so that is 9 to the 18, 9 to the 18 plus 4, that is equals to 22 is the 10th term of this series. Okay, understood? Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, so in an AP, if 16th term is 4, 9th term is 20, then 15th term is, okay. So here, this is arithmetic progression. It is given here, and the 16th term is, okay, 16th term is equals to 16th term is equals to. So what is the general formula for finding the nth term? Okay, so here nth term is equals to general formula. Okay, Tn or An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula here. Okay, if we use the same formula, 16th term means T16 or A16, we write is equals to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. 16 minus 1 into d. Okay, that means a plus 15d. The value is given. The value is given as 4. And ninth term also. Okay, so given. So ninth term is equals to T9. Ninth term is T9. Okay. So T9 is equals to, ninth term is equals to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Okay, this is equals to a plus 8d. A plus 8d is equals to 20. Equals to 20. Now he is asking the 15th term. Okay, equation number 1 and 2. Solve the equations, both the equations. Okay, solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. If we solve the two equations, here a plus 15d is equals to 4, a plus 8d is equals to 20. Okay, now I am subtracting. Okay, if we subtract here, minus and minus. Okay, so here we can cancel the a and a. 15d minus 8d. Okay, that is equals to 7d is equals to 4 minus 20 minus 16. 4 minus 20 is minus 16. What is the d value here? Okay, the value of d is equals to minus 16 by 7. Okay, this is the value of d. Okay, so now substituting this d value in equation 1 or 2. Okay, either we substitute in equation 1 or in equation 2. Okay, so if we substitute this d value in equation 2, I am substituting. Okay, So here substituting
Yeah.
d is equals to minus 16 by 7, 16 by 7 in equation 2 I am substituting. Okay, a plus 8 into d is minus 16 by 7, okay, is equals to 20. Okay, so now 16 into 8. Okay, so how much we get? This is equals to a plus into minus minus. So 16 into 8, how much we get? 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128. Okay, so minus 128 divided by 7 is equals to 20. So the value of a is equals to 20. Take this term to right side, so it becomes positive, plus 128 divided by 7. Okay, take LCM. LCM is 7. Okay, 7 into 20 is 140 plus 128. 140 plus 128 divided by 7 as it is. Okay, so now what is the value of a here? Okay, so the value of a is equals to 140 and 128, that is 268 divided by 7. This is the value of a. After getting the a value, so here he is asking the 15th term, right? Okay, so 15th term is equals to T15 is equals to a plus 15 minus 1 into d. 15 minus 1 into d. We know the a value and d value. Substitute and simplify. A value is 268 divided by 7 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into d. What is d value? D value is minus 16 by 7. Okay. Now 7 is LCM. 7 is a LCM. So write the 7 as it is. Okay. So 268 and plus and minus minus 14 into 16. 14 into 16. How much we get? 14 into 16 means. So 268 minus 268 minus 224. 224. Okay, so 268 minus 224. How much it is? 44. Okay, so 44 divided by 7. 44 divided by 7. This is the required solution. This is the required solution. Okay. Now, if you go to the next question here. So which term of 11 plus 9 plus 7 and so on is minus 13? Minus 13. Okay. So in this problem, what is given? Okay. So given that 11 plus 9 plus 7 plus and so on. Okay. So this is also a AP arithmetic progression. This is also a arithmetic progression. Okay, so now take the first term. What is first term? 11 is the first term. Okay, and what is the difference between the two terms? That is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. T2 minus T1, that is 9 minus 11 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, and after that he is asking what term is minus 13. Okay, so here we have the formula nth term is equals to okay, so Tn or An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Okay, we are going to use this formula now. We are going to use this formula. Okay, if we use this formula, okay, so then Tn is equals to, we don't know which term is that. Okay, that's why n value is n only. Okay, so and a value is 11 plus n minus 1 means n minus 1 only. D, what we know the d value, that is minus 2. Answer is given as minus 30. Okay, since how we got this minus 13, it is given in the question. Okay, So now take this 11 to right side, n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to minus 13 as it is. Take this plus 11 to right side, it is minus 11. Okay, this is minus 24. Okay, n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to minus 24. N minus 1 is equals to minus 24 divided by minus 2. Divided by minus 2. Okay, so can we cancel by any table? Just minus minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 12 times. 2 12 times. So what is the n value here? Okay, so n is equals to, okay, n is equals to, already we have 12 in the right side, take this minus 1 to right side, okay, plus 1, n is equals to 13. Okay, this is, okay, 13th term. Okay, what is the final answer? Therefore, minus 13 is, minus 13 is 13th term. 13th term. Okay, this is the final answer. Which term of 11 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 so on is minus 13? That is the question. Okay. Now, okay. So here, sum of 20 terms of 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus and so on is. Okay, so here we are going to use the sum of n terms formula. Sum of n terms formula. Okay, so what is given in this question here? So given 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and so on and so on. Okay, so now what is a value? The value of a is equals to 3. Value of a is 3. Okay, and the difference d is equals to t2 minus t1. T2 minus t1. This is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. This is the difference here. Okay, what is the formula for finding the sum of n terms in AP? So sum of n terms is equals to Sn is equals to, what is the formula? N by 2 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know a value and d value and n also. He is asking 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms. Okay, now sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms is equals to S20 he is asking. Okay, n by 2, 20 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 3 plus n minus 1. What is n value here? N is equals to 20. So 20 minus 1 into d. What is d value? D is equals to 2 here. Okay, 20 by 2 is equals to 10. 10 into 2 3 is 6 plus 19 into 2. Okay. So now this is equals to 10 into 6 plus 19 twos are 19 twos are. How much 19 twos are? 38. Okay, this is equals to 10. Okay, 38 plus 6. How much? 44.
44.
Yes. 44 into 10.
440.
440. Okay, this is only the required. Okay, so answer. Okay, sum of 20 terms in this is 440. 440. Okay. The number of numbers that are divisible by 9 between 1 and 1000. Okay. So here the numbers divisible by 9. Okay. So the numbers divisible by 9. Okay. By 9 between 1 and 1000 is. So what are the numbers? Tell me once. Okay, it is a 9 table. Indirectly, it is a 9 table. Okay. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. Okay, so like this, it's so on. Below 1000. Okay, which number is divisible by 9? Okay, so which number? The largest number. Okay, that is 999 is divisible by 9. Okay, so and below 1000, below 1000. Okay, in these numbers, this is a AP. This is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Okay, we can find the A value here. Okay, so A value, what is A value? First term is equals to A is equals to 9, and difference D is equals to second term minus first term. Okay, and 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. Okay, and what is the nth term? So we don't know the value. Okay, so how many numbers are there? Okay, we don't know that, but we know the last term. We know the last term. Okay, so Tn is equals to formula we have. What is Tn formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula here. Okay, but the value is given. Okay, so here the last number is 999. Okay, after how many numbers we are getting this? Okay, how many number of numbers are there in between this interval? Okay, so we are going to find, substitute the values, whatever we, okay, so we know the A value, that is 9, and n minus 1, okay, we don't know n value, and D difference also 9 only, is equals to 999. Okay, so now n minus 1 into 9 is equals to 999. Okay, taking plus 9 to right side, it is a minus 9. Okay, 999 minus 9, how much it is? 990. Okay, so n minus 1 into 9 is equals to 990. Now n minus 1 is equals to 990. So here 9 is multiplying. If you take it to that side, divide. If you take it to that side, divide. Okay, so now here n minus 1 is equals to, okay, so if you cancel by 9 table, 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 0 as these. Okay, so 9 table 110 times. Okay, so now n is equals to this 110 minus 1 I am taking to right side. Okay, so plus 1. So here 111 we are getting. How many numbers are possible? Okay, so the number of numbers divisible by 9. Okay, so between 1 and 1000 is, okay, how many numbers are there? 111. 111. Okay. For more educational videos for IIT, JEE, BITSAT, MSET, and all other engineering entrance exams of all the other states, as well as class 11, class 12 students of CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and ISC students, as well as all the intermediate students of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, please like, share, subscribe to our Veda online classes. Thank you for watching our Veda online classes. Don't forget to comment your requirement in the below this video. Thank you.